Experienced programmers may think of the joke PHP is the best language when talking about PHP. This joke comes from the official documentation of PHP itself. In July 2001, the PHP documentation had the following sentence: PHP is the best language for when programming. Now the question comes, is PHP still worth using in 2024? Many people think that PHP is an old and unqualified language, but now in 2024, it is the most used language on all sites. PHP is still a good choice for web development in 2024. 1. Performance. As time goes by, the speed of PHP becomes faster and faster, especially the latest PHP 8.1 and above versions are quite fast. In some cases, PHP may not be able to compete with programming languages, such as Go and Java, but in terms of speed alone, PHP can match Python and Node.js and may even be faster. 2. Development speed. PHP is very similar to Python, with only minor differences, but this similarity helps to speed up development. From performing simple CRUD operations to handling files, webhooks and WebSockets, everything can be completed with minimal code. Almost every task you need to complete has a library available, and you don't have to write a ton of code yourself. 3. Deployment. One of the main advantages of PHP is that it is easy to deploy, even at scale. With just a simple PHP server and ginks, you can be up and running within a few hours. 4. Scalability. How does PHP scale? Of course, with any programming language you need to load balance your application, especially if you need millions of requests a day. But if you implement caching correctly at your endpoints, not doing load balancing is not a problem. 5. Concise code and readability. PHP can be confusing when it comes to writing concise code, but this problem can be solved with a framework that provides templates, such as Laravel. Even for large-scale application interfaces with more than 200,000 lines of code, excluding automatically generated files, the code can maintain high readability as long as it is concise.